Good morning, class family. It's a magnificent Monday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow on with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Let's start with the date. March 20th, 2023. Dear class family, today is Monday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we review letter sounds and tap words. Next, we will read poems more than once to help create images in our mind. Then we will write poems and make it easy to read. Last, we will do literacy centers. It is a great day. Love Miss Joyner. Oh, it is a great day. It's fantastic. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Let's look back and reread the message. Remember, good readers read things again. It's called rereading. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Let's start with this month. I see capital M-A-R-C-H. What does that say? You're right. It does say March. If you remembered that, great job. Let's reread the whole date now. March 20th, 2023. After the date, let's read the greeting, beginning with the word dear. I noticed a capital D like D, dog, D. Good writers write letters to people beginning with the word dear. Let's go ahead and reread our greeting. Dear class family. After the greeting, I see a punctuation mark. Do you know what it's called? Starts on a line and does a little curve. I heard some of you say it. It is a comma. If you remember that, go ahead and pat yourself on the back. And let's review some punctuation marks that are going to be in our message. All right, we're going to look for commas, periods, exclamation marks, also called exclamation points, and our question of the day has a question mark. All right, class family, as we are rereading, notice those punctuation marks in our message. Let's go ahead and continue. Let's start with this sentence. Do you see this telling sentence that starts with a capital T? Good writers start sentences with capital letters. Let's reread it. Today is Monday. It is Monday, and it's a magnificent Monday. Let's look at the next sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that every day to be a great collaborator, communicator, and creative and critical thinker. You know that we do this by listening, writing, and drawing, asking and answering questions, making connections, and sharing our thinking. Make sure that you speak loudly and clearly for all to hear you. When you're being a good communicator, use your mouth to speak and your ears to listen. All right, let's go ahead and look at this next sentence. I notice it starts with a transitional word first. Good writers can sequence their writing with transitional words and phrases like first, next, then, and last. Let's review these. Say them with me. First, next, then, last. All right, let's go ahead and read the sentence with this transitional word. Are you ready? First, we review letter sounds and tap words. Okay, so we'll use our word wall as a resource. We'll review the ABCs, letter sounds, pictures to match that word, and we're going to be practicing tapping words. That's what you can do when you're saying a word and you listen for that beginning, middle, and ending sound. Let's go ahead and continue. Oh, I see this transitional word here. Do you know what that says? Say it with me. Next. Next, we will read poems more than once to help create images in our mind. Good readers can read things more than once. We're going to read poems more than once so that we can get the image in our mind. We're going to visualize it. All right, let's go ahead and look at the next part, starting with this transitional word, then. Then we will write poems and make it easy to read. We're going to write poems. We're going to make them easy to read. We're going to make sure that we write our letters clearly. We leave a space between words and we're sounding out things and using resources to help us. We want our poem to be easy to read for the person who is enjoying it. All right, let's go ahead and see this next part. Oh, I see this transitional word. Say it with me. Last. Last, we will do literacy centers. Okay, we'll do literacy centers. We'll do Lexia Core 5 reading program. We'll do CVC word puzzles, beginning sound puzzles, ending sound puzzles, reading books, and sight words on a ring. It's going to be fantastic. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our Do You Like question today of yes or no answers is do you like the color green? Well, do you? Think about your answer and get ready to be a great communicator and share why. Do you like the color green?